If you want to become much more successful in your life, you have to stop blaming these three things. So check this out.
Oh, thanks for this awesome video.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
I'm a man on a mission. I'm a man on a mission. I don't need no permission. I'm a man.
Wow, I learned quite a lot. What I could understand, I learned, and I could see the difference.
This is Bishal Sarkar. If you want to really become confident and powerful, come to the Confident Speaker Workshop. But here are three things that you need to stop blaming. Number one, you need to stop blaming your situations. So often I see people, they blame their situations, and I've done that myself. I'm not special. I used to say things like, well, I can't ever be a successful professional because I don't have great knowledge, or well, I can't ever be a great speaker or communicator because I came from a Bengali medium background, or I can't ever become a successful business person because nobody in my family ever started a business. I can never become a global voice because I came from a middle class background. And I've said all that, and I was always having this self-pity, self-loathing person that I was, because I was blaming the situation. So if you are in a situation something like this, maybe it's not the same situation, maybe you are already successful, but you feel that because of my kids, because of this, because of that, because I don't have enough time, I'm not successful. No, you can overcome that, so don't blame your situation. Number two, don't blame people around you. We often do that because we all are humans. You know, I'm just like you, I have faults just like you. And many times I see that people blame things like, well, only if I was not married, I could be successful. Only if I did not have kids, I could have more time. Only if I did not have this kind of family, I could have more. Only if these neighbors were not around me, I could be much more focused because that neighbor is hot and I get defocused. No, only if, and you need to stop doing that. If you're right now blaming other people, you have to take responsibility. As Will Smith, the famous actor, says, it's not your fault, but it is your responsibility. And the third tip that I have for you, you need to stop blaming yourself. So often people say things like, I think I'm not cut out for this. I think I'm not meant to be a successful professional. Maybe I'm not meant to be a great father. Maybe I'm not meant to be a happy person. I'm telling you right now, you are meant to be best. You are meant to be happy. You are meant to be a powerful human being. So stop your bullshit excuses, because in life you can have results or you can have excuses. And I like to have results, so I just ditch the excuses, and you can do the same thing. I believe in you. If you want more tips, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'll call this number, and to know more about our upcoming premium coaching program to make you a great speaker. Bishal Sarkar here, always reminding you that confidence is not about perfection, it's all about connection.
I'm a man on a mission.